Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Focus key battery. First, gather your tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This ensures you can clearly see the small components and avoid any accidental damage. Let's get started with opening the key fob carefully. Now let's open the key fob. Locate the small slot, usually near the keyring attachment point. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Take your time and apply steady pressure to avoid breaking any plastic clips or scratching the casing. The halves should separate with minimal effort. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct installation of the new battery. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob and press them firmly together until they click securely into place. Give it a good squeeze around the edges to ensure a tight seal. Finally, test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your Ford Focus, to confirm the battery change was successful. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.